Check the temperature reading on the south parlor. It's blinking red.
Adjusting the cooling sequence now.
Check the pressure on pivot 4.
Reading stable. The harvester is making good progress. Gently now, keep moving through the gate.
Check the ID scan on the next group.
Ultrasound confirms stage 2 follicle development.
Proceed with a scheduled insemination and log the results.
Check the microchip on platform 3.
Reading temperature 37.5 Celsius, stable.
The lactation cycle data for Camel 72B is exceeding projections.
Cross-reference that with the fertility scores.
Camel 723 is showing improvement today.
Yes, the adjustments to the pathway speed are working.
The protein percentage is stabilizing nicely.
Yes, the mineral balance is optimal for the high yield group.
Check the pressure on line 4.
Reading stable at 50 psi.
Alert, fan 4B reducing speed.
System compensating. Maintenance notified.
Alert on vacuum pump 4. Pressure variation detected.
System shows maintenance notification sent. Acknowledged.
Check batch 7R on the main display.
Confirmed. Lab results are still pending approval.
The microbiological counts are well within the acceptable parameters for EU export.
Confirmed. I am updating the batch approval status now.
The COD levels are stable, well within compliance limits.
Good. Let's send the report to the central board.
How is the fat separation on batch 7?
Minimal. It is cleared for distribution.
Ensure the Riyadh shipment is prioritized.
Pallet 401K is clear for loading Bay 7.
We need another forklift on the south side.
Karim, speed up the blenders. We have a rush.
Yes, chef. Orders are coming in fast.
The pediatric ward needs 45 milliliters exactly.
I'm using the digital dispenser now. Protein levels are optimal.
Our daily capacity is unmatched in the region, ensuring reliable supply.
And the cold chain logistics for...
An integrated industrial ecosystem operating at a massive commercial scale, sustaining continuous